welcome to MTTI's open house. My name's Anya. I am the admissions rep for the electrical program, and I'm gonna take you on a tour of our shop and our classroom here at Water Street down in East Providence. So come on with me. So first, we're just gonna take a pit stop here at the classroom. So as you can see, there aren't 30 chairs in here. We like to keep the classroom size small. We cap at 18 students, so we have a strong student to teacher ratio. So we're gonna have 1 instructor in the classroom and 2 in the shop for the hands-on skills. Because we do assume you know nothing coming into the class, the first couple weeks might be a little bit more in here, getting going, learning the material, and then we'll slowly start getting out to the shop for the hands-on skills. You are going to have your tests, your quizzes, your homework, just like any other class. Multiple choice, true and false, short answer, diagrams, things like that. No long essays or papers to take home, so that's always good. And then no gen ed classes either, so no history, science, language arts. You will have a good amount of math involved, I'm not going to lie. So just get ready for some math because it is the nature of the trade, code calculations, fractions, blueprints. For our day program, usually we're in here in the morning, going over PowerPoint slides, lectures, reading from the textbook, taking a test or quiz, group work, book work, things like that. And then after the lunch break, we'll be out in the shop applying what we've learned. Very similar for our evening program, first half in the classroom, second half in the shop. Some days you might be a little bit more in the classroom, some days you might be more out in the shop, but it kind of breaks down into a 40% in the classroom, 60% split for time spent. So take a look at the classroom. It's pretty standard for most classroom settings, but it's nice that you get an opportunity to have a big open room. So we're gonna move into the shop space, so you can follow me. So just to start off, this is the beginning of our shop space. We're gonna move into the residential section first. So the first half of the program, you're gonna do all residential. So you're gonna actually learn how to wire an entire house, start to finish. So bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, living room, dining room, ceiling fan, light fixture, outlet, recessed lighting, washer, dryer, you name it. You're doing it all. That's gonna be all the residential commercial side, and the second half of the program is gonna be doing commercial. So if you follow me down a little bit further, I'll show you a module here for a student's project. You'll be working with the MC cable wiring here. It's going to be more on the low voltage end, security systems, fire alarms. And you even get to do a little bit of solar at the end. So it's a really cool aspect of the program. We like to expose you to a lot of different areas of the electrical trades, so then you get to see what you like and what you may want to do ultimately in the end. So we'll keep moving through the shop. All right, so we have Eric here. He's one of our students. He's actually gonna show us his tool set, because every student gets their own set of tools. They're yours for the duration of the program, yours for your internship, and then if you qualify for them, you actually get to take them all home with you at the end. So it's a nice incentive to wanna do well and hopefully take them home, because you can never have too many tools. They are expensive. So, hey Eric, check out your tools.
Sure. So I got my level here to make sure my boxes are level. Pliers, one of the most used tools by electricians. Cable strippers, wire strippers, long nose pliers, all different sizes, flatheads, Phillips heads. I even personally went out and bought a set of ratcheting screwdrivers. All your testing tools like non-contact voltage testers, and yeah, that's about what we carry on us regular. We have a tape measure too to make sure that we get everything at the right height. Receptacles at 18 and switches at 48.
Awesome. How do you like them so far?
I love them.
Yeah.
Klein's the best brand.
Okay, good. So yeah, great opportunity, and it's nice that you get to work with them for the 6 months that you are here. Take them out on your internship, and like I said, something to work towards.
Yeah.
All right, awesome. Down this way, you can see we have more residential modules. So the big project at the end of the first half of the program is going to be doing what we call a house wiring project. So what we do, we split the class in half. This side's one small house with one team. This is another house with another team. You guys aren't in competition, just 2 groups. You nominate 2 foremen, usually top leaders, performers in your class. You guys get to run an entire job start to finish. So you get to scale it, blueprint, wire it all up, and you get the pleasure of taking it all down too. So it gives you a good chance to kind of work as a team and troubleshoot together and make sure you're hitting your deadlines at the end of the day, cleaning up after yourselves at the end of the shift and whatnot. And so it's kind of running it like you're actually on a job site. So we're gonna keep moving back this way through the shop. So in this Conics box, we do a lot of the basic skills, the fundamentals, and then we move into the bigger room module projects. So up here on the workstations, every student has their own project that they're working on. Every student has their own station. So if you're working on number 9, somebody else is working on number 8 or whatnot, you guys aren't working on each other's workstations. Everybody moves and works at different paces, and that's totally normal, but everybody will go through the same set of skills for each of the units you guys have to cover. We do go live, so safety is very important. So once we have your wired scenario up, the instructor will come over, unlock your lockbox. If it turns on, great. If not, you gotta troubleshoot and figure out why not. So a lot of trial and error, hopefully making more mistakes here at the school, learning it, and not as much on your company's time and dollar once you get out into the industry and actually working. With the drop ceiling, it's going to be a little bit more on the commercial low voltage end. Like I mentioned, you're going to be doing security systems, fire alarms, and up on the roof of this, it's a slant pitch, and you're going to do about 90 hours of solar before you head out on an internship. So if you want to follow me back this way, we're going to check out a couple more things, and then we'll wrap up. So down this way, we have more workstations. You can see that it's pretty much what I just showed you in the Conics box, but this allows for students, even for our evening class, to have plenty of space to spread out, which is really awesome. So plenty of room between our 5 classes. And then the last thing here is all of our supplies. So you can see we have a lot of material we go through in the beginning. Because it is entry level, you may not know what you need for each project, but hopefully by the time that you're leaving us, you know what you need for each project and you're ready to work. So it's an awesome program, a lot of hands-on skills. So if this is something that you like and you want to check it out, come take a in-person tour and we'll get you ready for a class starting soon. So anyways, let me know if you have any questions. Again, my name's Anya and I'm the admissions rep for the electrical program. Thank you.